Hey guys, I'm at Brandon's house. I'm pretty sure we all know Brandon because I did a Draw My Life video about him and other things.
Uh-oh. Bread.
Good.
Go for the bread.
Take in the bread.
Right. You see one just honk at him. Oh. Oh, there comes a bird.
Bread.
I want some bread. You sure? That's my bread, dude. That's my bread. Oh my God!
They what the balls? They just go.
They just try to steal the bread. My bread. Hey, the squirrel's eating the big chunk. Look, the squirrel's eating the big chunk. See under the truck?
Yeah. This is like their squirrel that we gave them some pieces.
No, it's my bread. No, my bread. I'm trying to steal the bread.
This is my bread.
Posting this on your YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Bird fighting over a piece of bread.
Birds fighting over a piece of bread.
Oh my God! What the?
They just jump away from it.
And the squirrel's just watching them. Look, the squirrel's just watching them. The squirrel's just eating it. Like.
He freaking scared the bird.
Oh, they'll go back. What if the hawk just came down and just stole it? What if that happened, Adam? Would that just be freaking messed up?
I know.
I'll be right back. I'm moving these 7.
Alright, so, bye guys. This was a pretty weird video. I've never made something like this, but, wildlife apparently likes us because we gave them a piece of bread. They're like, that's my bread. So, yeah, everybody, if you're God, type #bird loves bread. Bye.